Nice and lovely, looking so good. And we're gonna put the corn. That's the sweet corn. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen one more time. We're Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. I did it many occasions, many times, many times. But I want to simply say to you, this is one of my second favorite dishes on my YouTube channel. I love my corned beef. I remember corned beef back in Gilbert days, back in so many things. Most people call it poor man food. Some people call it, oh, this corned beef and a little bit of veg. You know what I mean? They want to eat a fat piece of steak or something. But anyway, corned beef could never come off of my YouTube channel, none at all. Because it's one of my #1 top dish. Corned beef from Jamaica. Anyway, today we got roughly a cup of sweet corn, half cup of sweet corn, piece of thyme, garlic, spring onion, some people call it scallion, chopped tomato, white onion, and just a piece of a pepper. Jamaican old bad boy, right here. That's the bad. This is the bad boy, or my girlfriend. She's my girlfriend right here. This Scotch bonnet pepper. Look at it, red and pretty. Anyway, this is my corned beef right here, and basically I teach you something, guys. Remember these things where you see right here, this is like fat. Always remove the fat off the corned beef. Is not good for you. Alright? Be healthy, stay healthy, look healthy for 2016. Alright? So this is it. We're gonna fry it off and make some corned beef and rice. Rice is easy to cook. I mean, anyone can cook rice. So, but this is what's gonna happen right here. We're gonna fry it up. Poor man food or Jamaican corned beef with rice. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. Medium sized frying pan on the stove. Pop some oil inside of it, roughly 2 teaspoons of oil. As you can see. Nice and lovely. Basically, I might say I might have my frying pan about 3 to 4 minutes now, so probably a little bit hot at the moment. Pop my veg inside of it, then start to fry. Just like this, guys. Just like this. No rush, no fuss, no fight. Alright? Lovely and nice. So that's exactly what I'm about right here. So leave this for it to fry for about 3-4 minutes. Nice and lovely. On a medium size heat. No rushing when you're cooking veg. Take a little time and fry it off. Nice and lovely, looking so good. And we're gonna put the corn. That's the sweet corn. Lovely and nice. Open the middle right there. Simple. Get the corned beef, put it right there like this. This is my knife. This is my bread knife right here. Table knife. Let's break him up into some few pieces. Alright. You don't have to do that, guys. The next way you can do your corned beef is simple. Put it in the microwave and get it warm up. Alright? Before you put it in. But I want to show you exactly how you can do it still at home. We're gonna simply put a little bit of coarse pepper. And also a pinch of the bad boy hot pepper sauce. Lovely. That's looking good so far, but still have to fix it up and make it look nice. So next, put some ketchup. No matter say, I wish Jamaican chefs would put ketchup in a corned beef. I always say you want your food to taste nice, add ingredients. Alright? So guys, basically what we're gonna do, cover it on a medium sized heat and allow it for it to sweat and cooking the corned beef in the meantime. Enjoy it. Yes. Looking lovely and nice. So basically, Let's break it apart like this. Look at that. Just really beautiful and nice. And that's simple. Mix it up. Get all of those flavor into it. You don't need to rush anything when you're cooking. The only time you're rushing unless you're gonna go to work. But anyway, this is just simple and easy and nice and effective, guys. So hopefully you guys will just enjoy it and leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Anyway, we're not finished with it yet. Got some more ingredients we can put inside of it. Alright, so next thing. Little bit of paprika. That's some paprika I put inside of it a while ago. Paprika do give it a nice, lovely flavor. I don't know what anyone else, but I know. I know for sure. And a little bit of beef season. Just a little pinch of beef season, you know what I mean? Bringing some flavor into the corned beef. Can't make the corned beef too dead. Live up the corned beef, guys, with some seasoning bits and pieces. Cover it, give it another 5 minutes. Done and dusted, ready to share it. Alright? See you next time. Yes, yes. Yeah, this is it right here. I don't need to go any further. Looking lovely and nice. What we're gonna do, we're gonna share it out now, alright? This is finished. I need to take long to cook because I'm just cooking it every little time. I know you're in a rush to cook it. So roughly about 12-15 minutes. But if I was in a rush to cook it, you're talking about 7-8 minutes. But so as things set up, we're gonna share it out anyway. Nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply share this beautiful corned beef and rice which we just made. So this is the way it goes. Some people call it poor man food. They call it all kind of name, but you know what I mean, we have to just work with it. Jamaican love their corned beef. Just to be honest, guys, a lot of Jamaicans love their corned beef. Nice and beautiful. Look at that. And simple. This is some salad which I made earlier. So guys, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about right here. Basically, some people, you know what happened? We could just put the salad like this. Just like this, guys. I want to make you guys see exactly. This is some Jamaican style we're doing right here. And we want to get it straight, right, perfectly right, alright? So, guys, just simple. Look at that. That is fantastic, lovely and nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Some people call it poor man food, some people call it all kind of name. But Jamaican corned beef is the best in the world with some plain rice. And as you can see, looking so lovely, nice and easy. Nice, lovely fluffy rice. So enjoy it and leave your comments. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team.